In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a British accent in ElevenLabs. To get started, open ElevenLabs and make sure you are signed in to your account so you can access the voice tools and library features. Once you are on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you will find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that menu, click on Voices. This will take you to the area where you can browse, manage, and add different voices for your text-to-speech projects. If you are trying to create audio with a specific regional sound, this is the section you'll want to use. Once you are in the Voices area, go to the Voice Library section. The Voice Library is where ElevenLabs organizes a wide selection of available voice presets, making it easier to filter by characteristics like language and accent. This is especially useful if you want a voice that sounds more authentic instead of trying to adjust settings manually. In the library, find the language filter and click on it. From the drop-down list, select English as the language. This narrows down the available results, so you only see voices designed for English speech output. That step is important because it helps make sure the accent options you see are relevant and natural sounding. After that, look for the accent filter. Open the accent drop-down and choose British. As soon as you apply that filter, ElevenLabs will show you English voices with British accents. Depending on what's available, you may see a variety of styles, from polished and posh voices to more aristocratic tones, as well as regional dialects such as Cockney or Yorkshire. Take your time here and listen to the available presets. This is a good step to slow down on because not every British accent sounds the same. Some voices may sound more formal, others more casual, and some may feel better suited for storytelling, narration, character work, or professional content. Previewing a few options will help you pick the one that best matches the tone you want. When you find a voice you like, click Add to My Voices. This adds that preset directly to your personal voice collection, so you can use it inside the ElevenLabs text-to-speech panel. From there, you will be able to select it just like any other voice when generating audio. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.